That's been the stock of the last couple of trading sessions. It reported a largely steady quarter in line with estimates. But Reema's with us. Reema, brokerages, what are they making of these numbers?
It's been quite a slide, right, for Infosys since the numbers. Pre-numbers, the stock was around the 1,000 rupee mark, and now it's approaching 950. Well, I'll run you through what a couple of brokerages are saying. Morgan Stanley says that the performance was in line, the commentary was fairly strong, but the stock price reaction was weak, and it could be because of a lack of a beat and raise. That could explain some of the weakness in the stock price. They say that while the risk reward is favorable, the stock could trade in a range till we get the Q4 numbers and the F518 guidance. Three investor concerns: one, muted Q4 outlook, a growth of only 0 to 1.3% in dollar terms. Secondly, weak pricing, and thirdly, regulatory changes in the US, but they still keep their overweight stance. CS says it's a decent set of numbers, but they are concerned about the weakness in their top lines. For instance, they're saying that the top client has fallen 12%, the top 2 to 5 clients have fallen by 4%, and the top 6 to 10 clients has fallen by 11%. So the problem was not only to do with RBS. If that was the case, then you wouldn't see a fall in all these three brackets. So that's what they're concerned about. That apart, they say while the numbers were in line, there was no positive surprise in Q3 or in the Q4 guidance. They keep their neutral rating. CLSA, on the other hand, makes another point. They're saying that slowing revenue growth should keep the multiples compressed. And secondly, they're raising question marks on the quality of the margin beat. They're saying that the margin beat was supported by cuts to their variable pay and exceptional change to the on-site leave policy. But in response to that, a couple of the other analysts believe that, well, if your performance is weak, the variable pay tends to be on the lower side. That's the definition of variable pay. But in any case, they're saying that the margin beat was on account of that. The weak exit rate drives a bit of a cut to their EPS estimates, and they believe Infosys' recovery story seems to have hit a pause button as of now. So they are a bit cautious on the stock.
All right, then. So that's about